Here we have a problem on evaluating numerical expression. Here we have a fraction and we have to evaluate the value of this fraction. But in this fraction, there is a numerical expression in numerator. So this is completely separate from the denominator. So to find the value of this fraction, first we have to evaluate the numerical expression in numerator. But the numerical expression over here contains multiple operations. That is division, exponent, multiplication. Okay, whenever I want to evaluate a numerical expression which contains multiple operations, I have to use PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? PEMDAS is a rule which tells us the order of operations of multiple operations. That is, which one has to be done first, which one has to be done second, and so on. Okay, here in PEMDAS, the first letter we have is P. P refers to parenthesis. If there is any parenthesis in our numerical expression, first we have to evaluate the stuff inside the parenthesis, but we don't find parenthesis in our numerical expression. So let's go to the second letter E. E refers to exponent. So then we have to do exponent first. So here in the expression in numerator, so we have exponent 2. So that is we have to evaluate this 3 square first. Okay, let me do it. 72 divided by. So according to the PEMDAS, so we have exponent first. I mean, after parenthesis, we have exponent. So I am evaluating the stuff with exponent, that is 3 square. And then we have multiplication, division. Okay, so the evaluation of this 3 square is 9 times 2 over 6. Okay, here in numerator, we have two operations, division and multiplication. Okay, when I look at the PEMDAS over here, I have M first and then D. That means M refers to multiplication, D refers to division. But always we cannot expect multiplication before division as we have over here. Sometimes we'll have division first and then we'll have multiplication. So what should I do? So it's very simple. You just have to keep another rule in mind. Whenever we have multiplication and division together in a numerical expression, we have to do one by one in the order from left to right. So we don't have to follow like that. We have to do multiplication first and then division next as we have over here. So when you have multiplication division together, so just look at the expression, numerical expression from left to right. So you have to do the one which comes at first. So here I have to look at this numerical expression from left to right. When I look at this expression from left to right, I have division first, multiplication next. So I have to do the division first. So when I do division first, that is when I divide 72 by 9, I'll be getting 8 times 2 over 6. Okay, now I can do the multiplication in numerator. 8 times 2 is 16, 16 over 6. Okay, now we can simplify this. Both of them are even numbers, 16 and 6. So we can divide both 16 and 6 by 2. So 2 goes into 6 thrice and 2 goes into 16 8 times. So the final evaluation of the given numerical expression is 8 over 3.